Welcome to Vintage Coin Op Restorations and one of our latest projects. Here we have something very different. It is a kiddie ride, most likely from a platform ride from a carnival. It was found in Europe, specifically France, where there was a handle up here, so the kid might have put his butt, sat on this, and we don't know exactly what kind of ride it was, but probably a static ride. We have it with some brackets here, but we're probably gonna make it animated to some sort. This is a rocket that's going into its eye, just like the man in the moon. And you can see that it's missing the rocket wings, so we'll be adding that onto it. It's been painted several times, so this is not the original colors to it. As you can see down here even, you can tell that there's some red, and at one time another red painted onto it. And then you have this pink. And if you look really close on this yellow, there's yellow, red, white paint underneath that even. So it's been sanded, painted, it's been brushed on. In the most recent, you can see somebody adding those little squiggles on there. That's surface paint over old paint. So we're gonna bring this thing back to life. If you possibly know anything about it or seen one of these before on the actual ride, we'd love to hear from you. We're located in Chicago, Illinois. Our phone number is area code 630-624-7466. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel so you can see the new machines coming to the warehouse. Thanks for watching.